Hey, I'm Burak. I'm an AI-powered 3D artist and indie game developer. It's been a while since my last update, so here's where I'm at with Wildbloom, my solo cozy game experiment. I'm now creating characters almost without touching traditional 3D software. AI helps me generate base models, and I only use Blender for rigging and animation. Everything else, modeling, sculpting, texturing, is skipped. This way, I stay focused on polish, composition, and storytelling instead of repetitive technical steps. Here are my key lessons from the past 2 months. AI doesn't replace creativity, it clears friction so you can focus on the fun parts. Momentum is everything. I like small, playable loops rather than endless polishing. Sharing is fuel. Every time I share, I get energy to keep going. And that's why I started a school community where I mentor beginners, share my process, and build this journey transparently. Right now, Wildbloom has a working prototype in Godot, first cozy environment built with AI-assisted workflows, a character pipeline that goes from concept 3D in hours, not weeks. Next step, I'm focusing on the main menu, UI flow, and preparing to open a Steam page early so people can wishlist from day one. Thanks for watching.